Magka-cash out tayo ng ating at account. So, napakadali lang dito mag-cash out guys. Tsaka, napakababa yung minimum. Pwede nating i-cash out kahit 20k. Mga $2. Pwede yung pambiling ulam. Just in case lang naman guys. Pero pag gusto nyong, ayun, palakahin, pwede naman. Ayan. Click natin yung beans. Tapos, currency natin. Click natin. Philippines. Tapos, select ang ating GCash ating pipiliin guys. GCash. You need to manually confirm that the payment will receive the money. If you are not, there is no manual confirmation within 2 hours, the system will automatically confirm. Got it? Then, dito tayo. Tapos, ayan siya guys. Kasi nakabind na yung aking name. Ay, name pa pala. Account number. Wait lang guys ha. Account number. Account number. Tapos, last name. Tapos, first name. Kung sino yung may-ari ng GCash number na yun guys, na naka-registered siya yung ilagay yung pangalan para hindi kayo magkamali. Tapos, ayan siya guys. Ayan, madilim. Ayan, ang $4 is 218 pesos. So, hindi na masama. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, click lang para